It's getting close to Halloween, and I'm teaching you how to make a red velvet Halloween cake. Damn. Turn your oven up to 180. Get your pan above your margarine. Grease your pan with some margarine. Open up your flour. Bring it out over the pan. Put it on the side. Get your bowl. Pour your cake mix in. Get your 3 eggs. Get your 2 over 1/3 of water and 1/3 of vegetable oil. Whisk it around. Make it looks like that. Yeah, make sure it looks like that. Then pour the thing in there. Okay, open the oven now and let that bake for 45 to 50. Okay, it's been 45 minutes. I'm gonna take it out of the oven. Okay, let that cake cool down for 1 hour. Okay, the first bowl you need is some red food coloring and blue food coloring to make it purple. I'm sure you're going to be some kind of purple color. Because red and blue makes purple. Oh, it's gotta be green. Kind of green. Cheese frosting. 20 or 30% of cream cheese frosting will be in the green, and the rest of it in the purple. Yeah, teaspoon for the green and a large spoon for the purple, and start mixing right now. Just look like that. So with the green as well. And once your cake is cooled down, get ready to ice it with purple icing, cream cheese icing. After that, use some of the green icing to get some more decoration of it. After both the icing is in there, decorate it with Midnight Magic. If you think it's not enough, get some limited edition Rotten Zombies Skittles. And that's how you make a Halloween edition red velvet. Damn. Taste test time. Oh. That's a 10 out of 10 for that one.